Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Petrania and today we're taking you back into the kitchen to make one of my favorite dishes, and we're talking about chicken Pad Kra Pow or chicken basil stir fry. So it's one of those staple dishes you have when you go to a Thai restaurant, or if you visit Thailand, you're probably gonna see this dish all over the country. People love this dish. It's this, you see a bed of rice and you see this stir fry of either chicken or pork with chilies and garlic and basil. Basil is really the star of this dish. So I'm going to show you how to make this dish that's so popular in Thailand and so delicious, but you can make it really easily at home with just 8 ingredients. And many of these things you can probably find it in your regular supermarkets. You don't even have to go to an ethnic or an Asian market to find them, or you may have them at home already, or most of these ingredients anyway. So let's get right to it. I'll show you how to make basil chicken stir fry. First thing first, here's the protein. You do need your protein, and I'm using ground chicken, but you can use ground pork as well. Or if you don't want to use animal protein, feel free to use cut up tofu. That will work in this dish as well. And you do need some kind of oil that you can use in a wok and won't burn too quickly. Vegetable oil is great for this, so I use about 2 tablespoons. And then I use about 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. You can use fresh garlic as well if you like that. They always taste better, the fresh garlic, but I only have minced garlic today, so I'm using that. And you need an onion, so I would think a medium onion is a good size for this. I don't think you need any bigger. And here it is, the star of the show, the basil. Authentically, Thai people use holy basil, but if you don't have that, sweet basil is fine. And I find this at the Thai market. You can get it there, but any regular market, I think you can find sweet basil now. Now for some color and taste, I'm putting in some bell peppers, mixed bell peppers. But Thai people actually, if you're gonna use chilies, those will add the color, a little red and green. But if you don't want to go too spicy, definitely try that. But if you can handle the spice, these are the Thai chilies that I have on hand as well. And if you do use these chilies, be aware they can be pretty spicy. The smaller they are, the spicier they are. So mix those in with the garlic first, and then you dump it in the pan. And lastly, we're gonna use an egg as well to top off this dish with a fried egg. So here we go. So I am going to prep some of the vegetables that we're going to be using in this dish, and of course we're starting off with the onions. And here's me chopping up the onions, trying not to cry, which I'm sure I did. And then we tear off the basil from the stem. So here we go, smelling it. But you need quite a bit of it. I say a big handful or 2 big handful of these basil, and that will be great. So once you turn on the heat, get the oil to warm up in the pan, and then you add the minced garlic there. Be careful that you don't burn it. And once you add the garlic, then you put in the onion. There we go. And let them that kind of mix together to be the base of the flavoring of this dish. And once that kind of swirl it together a little bit, you add the ground chicken and have that mixed in. Be aware that I actually season throughout the process from the beginning to the end with some fish sauce and some soy sauce. So those are the seasonings that I use for this dish. And here I'm mixing in the peppers now. And then at the end of the dish, that's when I add the basil. And you want to turn the heat off, and then you put the basil right at the very end. All right, so Venice is here and she's gonna be tasting this dish.
Great. Well, I'm excited to eat this. It looks really good. I didn't just say that on the camera. So, yeah. So can I break into the?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're supposed to, the authentic ones, you always have an egg with it.
Mm-hmm.
And Thai people make like their eggs super like deep fried. So yeah, this is a little bit healthier.
Well, definitely I can taste the basil.
Oh, you can? Okay, awesome.
Yeah, a lot of basil. What else can I taste? I don't know exactly, like it's definitely more than chicken, but I can't tell what the kind of that umami flavor is. I don't know if you added
fish sauce.
Fish sauce, okay, yeah. And it was like, is it oyster sauce or?
Yeah, I usually put oyster sauce. Yeah. It's one to keep it as simple as possible, so just soy sauce and fish sauce.
Yeah.
Yay, you like it?
Yes, and I really like it. It's really good. So.
Well, thank you to Venice for being my taster, and thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you do, please like the video and please subscribe. It will really help my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.